Hi there! We all love smartwatches, don't we? But most budget smartwatches usually have very small displays with lower resolution. Well, Noise has just perfectly addressed this issue with their newly launched ColorFit Ultra. It comes with a huge 1.7-inch display with a high resolution. It also has a metal body with more than 60 plus sports modes. Wow, I can't wait to see it. So let's unbox it. I'll share the pros and cons and of course the price so you can decide if this is a worthy buy for you or not. Without wasting any time, let's straight dive into the unboxing. So here is the retail packaging of the Noise ColorFit Ultra. You can see the image of the watch right here and ColorFit Ultra branding at the bottom. Towards the back, you can see the list of its features: 1.75-inch touch display, 320 by 385 pixel resolution, aluminum alloy body, blood oxygen monitor, calls and SMS quick reply, 60 sports modes, animated watch faces, IP68 waterproof rating and 9-day battery life. You can see here it's compatible with the Noise Fit app. There's a QR code for that and it's available for the App Store for Apple devices and Play Store for Android devices. Towards the bottom are the manufacturing details and the MRP, which is $5,999. Alright, let's open this baby up. Right on the top is the user manual and a warranty card that you'll need to register for. And here is the watch itself. We'll have a closer look at it in just a moment. And finally, a magnetic proprietary charging cable. So one look at it and I can say this looks so premium. Square dial, and that's a big screen in the front. Very impressive. The frame is made of aluminum alloy, which also has this lovely matte grey finish. Single button on the side to wake the display and to access the menu. Now if you're thinking it's going to look bulky, I'll wear it and show it to you. By the way, it comes with a soft silicone strap with a buckle design. Okay, so I have worn it and you can see that I have really thin wrist and the watch looks really nice. Doesn't feel bulky at all. Though it has some weight to it, still it's very comfortable. Remember, when the frame is metal, the display is bigger and the battery too is bigger, all that will add to the weight. But trust me, the weight is very well balanced and the watch is very comfortable. Also, you can replace these straps if you want with any 22mm third-party bands. Just pull the hook and it will release. So pairing the device is pretty simple. Turn on the watch, open the Noise Fit app and click on Pair Device. You should see the ColorFit Ultra here. Click, then confirm on the watch and it will pair in a couple of minutes. Okay, coming to my favorite part of the Ultra, the display. Now this is a huge 1.7-inch LCD display with a resolution of 385 by 320 pixels. That's 285 pixels per inch. The images and text are quite crisp and above all, it looks very well spread on the bigger display. Even though it's an LCD, the colors are quite vibrant and blacks are good. On the flip side, since this is an LCD panel, it gets bright enough to use outdoors. However, you can adjust the brightness manually in the settings as per your preference. Then the watch comes with some pre-installed watch faces, also including an animated watch face. Kind of cool. You can install so many more from the Noise Fit app and a lot of them are pretty interesting. Analog, digital, a huge collection. For custom watch face fans, there's an option to set a picture from your gallery. You can also choose which side you want the clock and you can also choose the color of the font as well. Seeing your own picture on a big screen like this is really amazing. The raise the wrist to wake the display worked every time without fail. However, the response wasn't the quickest, but passable. Alright, let's talk about its features. So you get IP68 waterproof rating, so sweat, water splashes or actually even wearing it for a swim should be fine. However, you should know that the watch lacks swim tracking. Then there's 24/7 heart rate tracking, tested it a couple of times and it worked very well. Also comes with everyone's favorite SpO2 sensor, worked fine, but just as I always say, use it for reference and not for medical purpose. Then there's sleep tracking, there's a breathe app to help you relax, there's a stress app that helps you know your stress levels. Alarms can be set directly from the watch, which is very helpful. In fact, there's a whole new stock app, but currently it's not working and will work soon with an update. Then there's a music app to control your music that's playing on your phone, pretty handy. Coming to sports modes, well, the ColorFit Ultra comes with 60, and what's really interesting is that instead of just having a long list of 60 modes, it's been subdivided into categories like running, cycling, indoor sports, outdoor sports, snow sports, ball games, dance sports, combat sports and other sports. This makes it so much more easier. I wore it for a short run and it shows me the time, the pace, the calories burned, the heart rate. Once the workout is completed, you can see more details of your workout in the NoiseFit Companion app. So let's have a quick look at the interface. Swipe from top to access the notifications, swipe from down to access the quick menu, battery percentage, vibration, airplane mode, do not disturb, lock the watch and settings. If you swipe right, you can see that there's a music app to control music that's playing on your phone. Further, you have the sleep tracking, you have breathe app, you have stress app, you have your heart rate, and you have the activities. And if you scroll down, you can see all the details. And you come to your home page. If you swipe the other way, you're going to see all the same details again. If you press this button on the side, you can access the menu, activity, workouts, SpO2, heart rate, sleep tracking, breathe app, reminders, stopwatch, alarms, world clock, watch faces, and stock. Further down, you have the stress app and flashlight. Press this and you tap the screen and it turns white. Tap again, you can turn it off. In the settings, you can set the brightness levels, vibration, wrist awake, device info, QR code, reboot, power off, and reset. It's so much more refined and polished. Check out those amazing icons. Now you can receive call alerts on your watch. You can see the caller's name, an option to reject the call, silent the ringer, and even reply with an SMS. There are a couple of preset SMSs, so you can reply using either of them, or you can custom set a few from the NoiseFit app. Similarly, you can receive app notifications, you can read the text and it's crisp and clear on this huge display, but now you can reply to an SMS with those same preset SMSs as well. Might come very handy when you're in a meeting or you can't reach out to your phone. Coming to the NoiseFit Companion app, well, it's evolved a lot over the years and Noise has almost perfected it. Shows you all your data and workouts in graphical format in the summary option. In the watch face tab, you can download watch faces. Coming to settings and you can see the device is connected and the battery percentage. Click on this. In here you can check for updates, idle alerts, auto heart rate monitor, share data with Google Fit, drink water reminder, notification alerts from which apps you want notifications and from which apps you don't. Then there is also a hand wash reminder, set your quick replies as I had mentioned before, world clock and stocks. The NoiseFit app is clean and super easy to use. Coming to the battery, well, a big screen calls for a bigger battery. So we get 300 mAh battery that should last you 9 days with regular use. But I guess you should get 6 to 7 days easily with notifications and call alerts turned on. It takes about 2 hours to fully charge from 0 to 100%. Okay, final thoughts. The only con I see is lack of built-in GPS. But again, it's not something that everyone needs. The pros, however, are way too many. Firstly, that amazing, gorgeous big display, which is really eye-catchy. Then it has a metal body, 60 sports modes, IP68 rating, heart rate sensor, SpO2 and so much more. You can get the Noise ColorFit Ultra at an introductory price of $4,499. This is only for 3 days. After that, the price will be $4,999. You can buy it from Amazon or the NoiseFit website from 16th of July at 12 p.m. I'll leave the links below in the description. You should definitely grab this right away. I hope this video was helpful. If there are any questions, feedback or complaints, mention it down in the comments. All are welcome. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, cheers.